Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through one of those charming little design tricks that every Figma user should have in their toolbox, creating a heart icon completely from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to whip up a simple, clean heart graphic that you can use in app mockups, websites, or just for fun. Even if you're brand new to Figma, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step and share a few tips along the way to help you really understand the process. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Figma. You can use the web version or the desktop app, it doesn't matter which, as the tools are identical. Once you've got your canvas open, we're going to start with the most basic of shapes. The rectangle, find the shape tool usually in your top bar and select the rectangle option, then click and drag on your canvas to create one. You don't have to stress about the exact size right now, just make sure it's a square. For example, something like 100 by 100 pixels works perfectly. With your rectangle selected, look over at the right-hand sidebar for the corner radius setting. Here, where we add a little magic. Enter 50 by 50 for the radius. What this does is round off all four corners to the point that your square now looks like a perfect circle. You might wonder, why not just draw a circle to begin with? Setting the radius to exactly half the width and height ensures the object remains a square in structure but displays as a circle. This will help later as we piece everything together. Now let's make a copy of this shape. An easy shortcut is holding the Alt key or Option on Mac, clicking on the circle and dragging. It'll duplicate the shape for you right in place. Alternatively, you can use copy and paste. We're about to form the two lobes of our heart. For our next step, select the duplicated circle and rotate it 90 degrees. In Figma, you'll find the rotation control either by hovering near the corner until you see a rotate cursor or by entering 90 in the angle box in the right panel. You might not visually see much change, but this rotation is important for how our two shapes will overlap next. Now comes the part that really starts to look heart-shaped. Move the two circles so that they overlap at a right angle, connecting at one corner, almost like the two halves of a butterfly's wings touching. If it helps, try thinking of each circle as one side of the heart. You may want to zoom in, making sure the edges line up nice and snug. Precision matters here to get that clean look. Once you've got your shapes aligned, the next step is to merge them. Select both shapes by holding down Shift and clicking each one. Then use the Union Selection feature. You'll find this in the top toolbar. It looks like two squares merging. This fuses the two forms together into a single, unified shape. This is where your heart really starts taking shape. Before we give it those final finishing touches, go ahead and group these elements together if you haven't already. This just makes it easier to move or resize your heart icon later. While the group is selected, click on the color fill and change it to that classic vibrant red. Anything that matches what you see in a classic heart emoji works beautifully. As a last step, select your grouped shape and rotate the whole thing by 45 degrees. Watch how, with a simple tilt, your two circles instantly transform from an abstract shape into a recognizable, symmetrical heart. Sometimes the smallest moves make the biggest difference. And there you go, that's it. You now have your very own heart icon in Figma, created entirely out of basic shapes. If your edges aren't quite perfect or you want to tweak the proportions, feel free to experiment. This process is endlessly customizable. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more hands-on Figma tutorials just like this one. See you in the next video.